dangerous super typhoon heads for the Philippines even as the country recovers from another major storm which killed almost 200 people.
A new storm that's bearing down on the Philippines has intensified to a super typhoon. Fung Wong is due to make landfall in the coming hours with winds of 115 miles an hour.
And the Philippines is bracing itself for a super typhoon. Less than a week after a different storm killed at least 200 people and left a trail of destruction. Locals have been evacuated as Fung Wong is expected to make landfall today with heavy rain and widespread flooding forecast. Our Southeast Asia correspondent Jonathan Head sent this report.
I'm standing now on the eastern coast of the island of Luzon in the Philippines. The sea here, the Pacific Ocean, is already being churned up by the approaching typhoon. That typhoon, Typhoon Fung Wong, is actually still quite a long way off. It's several hours before the eye of the storm will pass directly over here. When that happens, we will expect very, very powerful winds. The winds haven't really picked up yet, but the sea is rough. You can see an awful lot of sea mist being churned up. Visibility is going down. This is actually a resort area, but all of these small hotels, restaurants, souvenir shops are closed down. The police have been going up and down the street to make sure that everybody is out, because when the full force of this storm hits this coast, the sea will come right up here. It's likely there will be dangerous storm surges. This is also a low-lying area. There are steep river valleys behind. There's a very real risk too of flash floods coming down. So this area is very vulnerable right now. This street is completely deserted. People are staying away, and everyone is waiting to see just how bad this storm is going to be. It is an absolutely massive storm. The area it covers is approximate to most of Western Europe. It's enormous. It is not, though, as strong as the very worst typhoons which have hit the Philippines in the past. It's not as strong as Typhoon Haiyan, for example, which killed 6,000 people. But the sheer amounts of rain that it's going to bring, plus those very strong winds, make people here and right across this part of the Philippines very wary about the impact. Many people have left their homes and moved into stronger buildings, into evacuation centres for safety to ride out this storm. And of course, the Philippines has been battered already by another typhoon, Kamegi, which killed at least a couple of hundred people further south in Cebu. There's been an earthquake already. This country is really reeling from natural disasters this year. And many observers say that these kinds of typhoons, this one is turning into what they call a super typhoon with very powerful winds, are undoubtedly becoming more frequent. They're getting more of them every year. And so it's something that people living along this coast are having to deal with, sometimes several times each year.